In this video, I'll show you how to edit a Facebook post after publishing it. Sometimes you post something and later realize there's a typo, missing information, or you just want to update the caption. The good thing is Facebook allows you to edit your post even after it has been published. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile or the place where the post was shared. Scroll until you find the post you want to edit. Once you find it, tap on the three dots in the top corner of the post. A menu will appear with several options. From that list, tap on Edit Post. Now you can change the text of the post, fix mistakes, or add more information. After you finish editing, tap Save to apply the changes. Your post will now be updated, and the edited version will appear on your timeline. Facebook may also show that the post was edited. And that's it. That's how you can edit a Facebook post after publishing it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.